Yo, what's going on, boys? It's Anthony. Welcome back to another sneaker battle. Today we're diving into two of the greatest Jordans of all time, the Jordan 1 versus the Jordan 3. Which sneaker is going to take the crown? Let's find out. First up, the Jordan 1. Introduced in 1985, this sneaker revolutionized basketball footwear with its bold color combinations and high top silhouette. Its clean lines and iconic color blocking have made it a staple in both the sneaker world and high fashion. The Jordan 1 is iconic, tied to Michael Jordan's explosive rookie season, and its status as the banned sneaker, which defied NBA color rules. When it comes to fit and comfort, the Jordan 1 keeps it simple. It's snug with a true-to-size fit that appeals to both athletes and casual wearers. While not as cushioned as modern sneakers, its feel is legendary among purists. Then we have the Jordan 3, the first Jordan sneaker designed by Tinker Hatfield. It made its mark in 1988, not with just performance enhancements, but with radical style changes, like the introduction of the elephant print and a visible air unit. The Jordan 3 saved the Jordan line from near cancellation by revitalizing MJ's interest in Nike, ensuring Air Jordan's line feature success. In terms of fit and comfort, the Jordan 3 is a step up with improved cushioning thanks to the visible air sole unit. It's plush, supportive, and ready for both the court and the street. Both the Jordan 1 and the 3 hold a special place in my heart, but if I had to choose just one, I can't. If you're a sneaker person, you need both in your collection. They're not just sneakers, they're style statements, comfort companions, and symbols of basketball greatness. Whether rocking the classic lines of the Jordan 1 or the tech-forward vibe of the Jordan 3, you're guaranteed that street cred that comes with sporting these legends. So which one steals the show for you? The groundbreaking original Jordan 1 or the innovative game-changing Jordan 3? Drop your thoughts in the comments. It's your boy Anthony, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!